Good morning, children. Yesterday we have done HCF, means highest common factor, in which we have done three methods. First was factor method, second was prime factorization method, and third was long division method. फर्स्ट मेथड में क्या किया था हमने, गिवन नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स नोट डाउन किए थे, उनमें से कॉमन फैक्टर सर्च किए थे, जैसे 1 and 7. 1 and 7 both are common factors of 35 and 28. Then HCF of both these number is equal to the highest common फैक्टर मीन्स 7. जो भी उनमें से कॉमन फैक्टर होंगे उनमें से जो हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर है वो होगा HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, राइट. सेकेंड मेथड में क्या किया था, गिवन नंबर्स को हमने डिवाइड किया था बाय प्राइम नंबर्स के साथ डिवाइड किया था. उसके बाद उसके फैक्टर्स में से कॉमन फैक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में सॉल्व करके HCF सॉल्व किया था, राइट. नेक्स्ट मेथड था थर्ड मेथड, बाय लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. इस मेथड में क्या किया था, हमने कुछ स्टेप फॉलो किए थे. फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज टू डिवाइड द ग्रेटर नंबर बाय द स्मॉलर वन. ग्रेटर नंबर को स्मॉलर से डिवाइड किया था. सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या किया था, रिमाइंडर को डिवाइजर अज्यूम करके प्रीवियस डिवाइजर को डिविडेंड अज्यूम करके डिवाइड किया था. ये स्टेप्स हमने तब तक सॉल्व करने हैं जब तक हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाता, और HCF की वैल्यू क्या होगी, जो लास्ट डिवाइजर होगा, राइट. दीज आर द थ्री मेथड्स ऑफ HCF. कौन कौन से मेथड थे, फर्स्ट वॉज factor method, second was prime factorization method, and third was long division method, right. Revise these methods again. Next topic is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM is based upon multiples and HCF is based upon factors, which is our chapter factors and multiples. Factors पे बेस्ड है HCF, मल्टीपल्स पे बेस्ड है LCM. Before starting today's topic, I am going to explain some basic concepts. Let us do prime numbers. Prime numbers, these are numbers that are only divisible by themselves and 1. प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं, जिनके 2 ही फैक्टर होते हैं. वो नंबर या तो सिर्फ अपने ही नंबर से डिवाइड होता है या 1 से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 इज द लीस्ट प्राइम नंबर. 2 सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर है जो कि इवन भी है. 2 के फैक्टर्स अगर हम देखें, 2 1 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 से ही डिवाइड होता है. 2 के कोई और फैक्टर्स नहीं है. 3 के भी 3 1 से डिविजिबल है और 3 से डिविजिबल. लाइक 5 भी सेम, 1 से डिविजिबल और 5 से. सो these are numbers that are only divisible by themselves and 1, right. Next, second is composite numbers. These are not primes and so have divisors other than themselves and 1. जो composite number होते हैं ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं होते, और इनके जो डिवाइजर होते हैं ये 1 और उसी नंबर को छोड़कर बाकी फैक्टर्स भी होते हैं. इसके 2 से प्राइम नंबर के 2 ही फैक्टर होते हैं और कंपोजिट के 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं. जैसे 4 है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4, देयर आर 3 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4, 1 2 and 4. 6, there are 4 factors of 6, 1 2 3 6. 6 इन सब के टेबल में आता है एंड 4 इन सब के टेबल में आता है. सो दीज आर कंपोजिट नंबर्स. कौन से होते हैं, दीज आर नॉट प्राइम्स and so have divisors other than themselves and 1. Next, third is co-prime numbers. Co-prime number कौन से होते हैं? The numbers which do not have any common factor between them other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime number वो नंबर होते हैं जिनका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होता है. कॉमन फैक्टर मीन्स HCF यहाँ 1 होता है और उसका कोई भी और कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता. Two natural numbers not necessarily prime are co-prime if their HCF is 1. Co-prime में दो नेचुरल नंबर भी co-prime हो सकते हैं. कंडीशन क्या है कि सिर्फ HCF जो है वो 1 के इक्वल होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर सम पेयर्स ऑफ co-prime numbers. फर्स्ट पेयर इज 1, 2, 1 and 2. 2 is a prime number here, but 1 is not. So there is only one common factor, which is 1. HCF between 1 and 2 is 1. HCF between 1 and 3 is also 1. HCF of 3 and 4 is also 1. And 3 and 10 is also 1. 3 and 8 is also 1. Even two composite numbers can also be prime. दो composite number भी prime हो सकते हैं, right? For example, 16 and 25. Here there is no common factor, only 1 is common between these two numbers. 84 and 65. Again there is only one common factor, which is 1. There is no other common factor between these two pairs, right? Let us revise again. प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं? जिनके 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं और वो सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल होते हैं या 2 से डिविजिबल होते हैं. को प्राइम कौन से होते हैं? जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स बनते हैं, 1 और उसी नंबर को छोड़ के और भी फैक्टर्स बनते हैं. को प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं? जिनका HCF 1 होता है, मीन्स उनमें सिर्फ एक ही नंबर कॉमन होता है, विच इज़ 1, राइट? को प्राइम में इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी के जो नंबर है वो प्राइम ही हो. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है 1 and 2, इसमें 1 प्राइम नहीं है, 2 प्राइम है. 3, 4, 3 प्राइम है, 4 प्राइम नहीं है. तो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरली कि नंबर भी प्राइम हो. कंपोजिट नंबर भी इसमें को प्राइम हो सकते हैं. 2 composite numbers can also be co-prime, right? I hope you have understood these three numbers. Next we have is LCM, least common multiples. It means LCM of 2 or more numbers is the least or lowest of their common multiple. LCM is based upon multiple, as we already know. जो भी इनमें से कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर्स में जो भी कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा, लीस्ट सबसे छोटा, वो LCM होता है. क्लियर? We have 2 methods of calculating LCM. First method is by prime factorization and second is by division method. Clear? There are 2 methods of LCM and 3 methods of HCF. Let us take one example to understand these 2 methods. LCM of 42, 36 and 18. First method is prime factorization method. We have 3 numbers 42, 36 and 18. You already know how to solve numbers by प्राइम फैक्टर्स. हमने नंबर्स को प्राइम फैक्टर यूज करके ही सॉल्व करना है. 2, 3, 7, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. These all are prime numbers. Now what is the next step? Next step is to note down these factors. 42 के फैक्टर 2, 3, 7. 36 के 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 18 के 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will search common factors among these numbers. Common factors search करने हैं. 2 तीनों नंबर में कॉमन है and 3. Now we will write common factors. First of all, we will write common factors among these three numbers. Then we will write down uncommon factors also. 7, 2. First step is to find out its common factors. 2 is common. And next common factor is 3. Next we will write down uncommon factors. 7, 2, 3, 3. These are also repeating. So we will write it only one time. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. Into 7, 42. Into 2, 84. Into 3, 252. Next, second method, by division method. We will write down these number under one division by putting commas. Now these three numbers are even number, so we will divide these number by 2. 21 2s are 42, 18 2s are 36, 9 2s are 18. Next we will check these numbers 21, 18 and 9. These numbers are divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Now 7, 6, 3. 7 will not be divisible by 3, so I will put it down as it is. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 7 will put down as it is, and 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. Last 7 number is left, which is a prime number itself, so we can divide it by 7 also. 7 1s are 7. Now we will write down these numbers in multiplication form. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 7, which is also equal to 252. So I have solved one sum by using two methods. Answer is same, 252 and 252. Both are equal. Next, exercise 4.1, sum number 4. We already have done sum number 1, 2 and 3. Sum number 4 is find the LCM of the following by the prime factor method. Prime factor is our first method. So A part is 18, 24 and 60. We will solve it by using factor method. We will prepare factors of these numbers. 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. 24, it is also divisible by 2. 12 2s are 24. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Next 60. 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. 3 15s. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Right? Now we will write down factors. Factors of 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? Now we will solve LCM. For LCM, what will we do? We will find out its common factors. 2 is common. Next, 3 is common. We will write down it as 2 into 3. We will write its uncommon factors. Now 3. 3 is uncommon factor. We will write it as, now 2 is common between 24 and 60. We will write down it only one time. 2. Next 2 again, and last is 5. 2 into 3 6, into 3 18, into 2 36, into 10 360 is our LCM of 18, 24 and 60. Next we will do D part, which has two numbers 15 and 55. First of all we will solve its factors. 5 threes are 15, 3 ones are 3. 55 के factor 11 fives are 55 and 11 ones are 11, right? Now we will write its factors as 5 into 3 and 55 के 5 into 11. What is the next step? Next step is to encircle the common factors. Common factor कौन से हैं? 5. 5 common factor है. We will write it as next uncommon factor 3 and 11. Answer is 5 into 3, 15 into 11. So the answer is 165, right? Solve part B and C as a classwork. Now we will solve sum number 5. Next sum is find the LCM by the long division method. Statement is, we will do first part. It is 18, 63 and 78. Now we will solve 18, 63 and 78 by using division method. Let us do. It is divisible by 3, which is a prime number. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 21, 3s are 63, 3 2s are 6 and 3 6s are 18. Next we will check by which common number we can divide these three numbers. We cannot divide these three numbers by a common number. We will divide 2 6 and 3 7s are 21. Drop down 26. Now we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. 7 will be written as it is, and 13 2s are 26. Now these three numbers are distinct. ये अलग अलग नंबर हैं, इसको हम अलग से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. 1 as it is, 7 1s are 7 and 13 will be written as it is. Now we will divide 13 by 13. 1 1 and 1. Now LCM is equal to, we will write down these numbers. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 and 13. We will multiply these numbers. 3 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 13 is equal to 1638. It is value of LCM. Now we will solve one more sum by using long division method. Next sum is B part 24, 60 and 92. We will solve it as, now we will check these numbers are ended with even number. So we will divide these number by 2, which is a prime number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next 32s are 60. Next 46 twos are 92. Now we will divide these numbers by 2 again. 2 6s are 12, 15 twos are 30 and 23 twos are 46. Now we will divide first two numbers by 3 and it cannot be divided by 3, so we will write it as again 2 threes are 6, 5 threes are 15 and 23 will be written as 23. Now these three numbers are distinct. ये तीनों नंबर किसी टेबल पे नहीं आते, so वन बाय वन हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. फर्स्ट से 2 ones are 2, 5 will be written as it is and 23 will also be written as it is. Now we will divide 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 and drop down 23. Next 23, 1, 1 and 1. LCM of these three numbers is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 23. Answer is 2760. 2760 is the value of LCM. Do part C and D yourself as a homework, right? Before solving these sums in your notebooks, first of all, understand these two methods and then solve these sums in your notebooks.